Hello and welcome to this video on installing Power BI Desktop. I'm Fiona Umpa with Alfie Data Analytics, and in this video we'll be looking at the minimum system requirements, installation methods, and then I'll walk you through installing Power BI Desktop. Before installing Power BI Desktop, you must first ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements. These are some of the critical requirements as of the date of this recording. So you must have Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system installed on your computer. For memory or RAM, you must have at least 2 GB, but 4 GB or more is recommended. And finally, CPU, you must have at least 1 GHz 64-bit processor or better. So these are the requirements by Microsoft, and I'll put a link in the video description below for a full listing. So there are two methods to installing Power BI Desktop on your computer. You can install as an app from Microsoft Store, or you download directly and install. So what's the difference between these two methods? Well, the difference is in how Power BI Desktop is updated. If you installed as an app from Microsoft Store, Power BI Desktop will be automatically updated whenever there's a new version released. However, if you install using the download direct option, you'll be prompted each time there's an update available, and you'll have to manually download and install. And for your information, there's monthly releases of Power BI Desktop, and it's always recommended to have the latest update. Okay, so now let's install Power BI Desktop. So on your computer, go to Google and you search for download Power BI Desktop. So you should have the first link, download Microsoft Power BI. If you don't have that, don't worry about it. I'll put the link in the video description below. So click on that link. So that should take you to download Power BI Tools official page. So we're looking for Microsoft Power BI Desktop. So here under Microsoft Power BI Desktop, you notice there's two links. You've got download and advanced download options. So basically the first link, download, it will enable you to install Power BI Desktop using Microsoft Store. Unfortunately, I'm not able to guide you guys through installing using Microsoft Store because I've got an issue with my computer. But basically, you click on Open Microsoft Store, and then that will take you to Power BI's page on Microsoft Store, and then you click on Install or Get. There should be either Install or Get depending on the version of Microsoft Store. You click on that, and it will automatically download Power BI Desktop. So I'll cancel out from there for now. Coming back, so the second option is advanced download options. So that's where we've got our download direct link option. So that should take you to Microsoft's download center page. So you select your language of choice and you click download. Okay, so now you have to choose your download option, either 32 bits or 64 bits, depending on your computer's system. But if you're not sure, just select 64 bits because most modern computers are running on 64 bits system. So you select that and you click download. So that will download Power BI Desktop install file on your computer. Okay, so once the file has been downloaded, you locate the file and you double click on it to start installation. So you select your language of choice and click next. And then you click next, you accept the terms, the licensing terms, and click next. Leave all the options by default. Leave this one checked as well to create a shortcut, and you click in, you start install. And congratulations, you have successfully installed Power BI Desktop on your computer. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you got some value in this video. If so, please consider supporting the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.